Today I'm going to show you how to make any page on your Squarespace 7.1 website private and password protected. It's super easy and I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here you can access your website. This is a demo site I'm working on, so it's not live yet. Once you're logged in, on the left side of your dashboard you'll see a menu. Click on the option that says Pages. This is where all your site's pages are listed. Now scroll through your list of pages and find the one you want to protect. In this case, I'm going to protect a resources page that is found in my Not Linked section. Once you've found the page, hover over it and click on it. Next, we'll open the settings for this page. Just click on the little gear icon next to the page name. This will bring up the page settings. Okay, scroll down until you see password. Go ahead and type in your chosen password. Make sure it's something easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Now that you've set your password, we're almost done. Just click Save in the top left area of the dialog screen to save your changes. And that's it. It's always a good idea to test things out, and to do that you'll need to open a new browser window and type in the URL for the page you just protected. Because this site is under construction, it's not going to look like this. It'll basically prompt you for a password. Enter the password you created and you should be able to view the page. That's it. You're all set. Now your page is private and password protected, giving you total control over who can access it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching. I'll see you around next time.